peach cobbler. First we need half a cube of melted butter. We need 2 cups of biscuit.
Okay.
Put it in the mixing bowl. We need 1 cup of sugar. Put it in the mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of milk. Mix it together.
Okay. Can you?
Pour the batter in the dish. Now we need 2 large cans of peaches. Now sprinkle half a cup of sugar. One cup of juice from the peaches. Ask mom and dad for help. Now we're done.
And now we try it.
Now try it.
Careful, it's hot. Okay. Blow on it.
I like it.
Is it good? What's it taste like?
Peach cobbler.
Look at me. What's it taste like?
It tastes like peach cobbler.
What does guacamole taste like?
Kitty Kat.